Stellaris multiplayer desync error fix. Error, Stellaris multiplayer desync / out of sync issue. Step 1, make sure everyone has same game version. Open Steam and update Stellaris. Check game version on the main menu. Every player must use the exact same version. Different versions cause instant desync problems. Step 2, disable different mods. Open the Paradox launcher, compare enabled mods with friends, remove extra or outdated mods, keep mod order identical for everyone. Step 3, verify game files. Open Steam library. Open Stellaris properties, repair or verify game files. Corrupted files can break multiplayer sync. Step 4, restart internet router. Turn off the router for 30 seconds, restart the connection properly, use stable internet during multiplayer sessions. Packet loss can trigger desync issues. Harsh Step 5, use wired internet connection. Connect PC directly with Ethernet cable. Avoid unstable Wi-Fi connections. Close background downloads. Stable ping improves synchronization. Harp Step 6, clear Stellaris user data. Open the Stellaris documents folder. Delete temporary cache files. Remove broken multiplayer cache. Restart the launcher afterward. Head Step 7, lower game speed. Host should reduce game speed. Very fast speed increases desync chances. Pause during heavy Galaxy events. Slow speed keeps players synchronized. Step 8, disable background apps, close browsers and streaming apps. Turn off overlays and recording software. Stop unnecessary background programs. Free system resources before playing. Step 9, rejoin the multiplayer lobby. Leave the current session completely. Host should restart the lobby. Join again with fresh synchronization. This fixes temporary sync bugs sometimes. Step 10, fresh install mods and launcher. Unsubscribe from broken workshop mods. Reinstall the Paradox launcher. Download clean mod files again. Start a new multiplayer save afterward.